Hi, it's Camille with POSGuys.com. Today we're taking a look at Code CR1400 barcode scanner. Code's a new barcode scanner developer. They have a lot of history doing age verification systems and scanning in that field, and they're just now branching out into imagers and barcode scanners. This is a 2D imager, so it has the ability to scan off of cell phones reading 1D barcodes, can scan micro barcodes, and is highly compact and versatile for many situations. The CR1400 is capable of reading 1D and 2D barcodes. That includes PDF 417s and micros, so here's your 1D barcodes, including GS1 and smaller GS1. So you can see here the tiny little data matrix has no problem reading those. You can see that blue light, that's the targeting reticle. Get your PDF 417s. Got just a tiny little 1D barcode on this battery. It has no problem reading it. We can scan in bright light. So I'm going to turn on my light here and scan 1D barcode. It's no problem. I'm also going to do a quick scratch test just to see how aggressive it is. I'm going to run a line through it. Still scans. Run some more lines through it. We're just going to make it really dark. See if it'll scan through that. Still scanning. I'm just going to cover it up so it's really low contrast. And it still makes it. It's pretty decent. Now I'll show you how to switch configurations really fast. I'm going to enable motion detection scanning. So you just get the configuration guide we have downloadable online, and then you scan it. And now it'll start looking for barcodes whenever you move the scanner. And then you can also do continuous scan. So that every time it sees a barcode, it will scan. Now, I kind of have a demo model right here, but they're coming out with one that will auto-configure, so you won't have to actually configure. But in this way, you can use it in its hands-free stand. The CR1400 is capable of reliably scanning 1D barcodes on cell phones. It reads 2D barcodes much better on print. As you can see here, it's a very compact scanner. It's about the size of a pen. It's much smaller than most. And some of its unique features, the more notable one is it has a vibration. So every time that I get a successful scan, I get feedback by way of vibration in my hand, as well as a green light and a beep. These are all configurable. You can turn them on or shut them off as you need for your industry. A unique feature of the CR1400 is its blue targeting reticle. See how the bars separate? So when the bars are together, that is your ideal scanning range. And it comes into play here, where you have no problem scanning. Now you can still scan as you get closer, but it's not intended to be that close. The CR1400 would be good for healthcare industries where you might have micro barcodes on syringes or IV fluid bags, surfaces that have a glossy finish to them. This is very good for that. It's also very compact and good for situations where you either don't have a lot of room, like if you wanted to slip it into a nurse's station, or you have smaller hands. I myself have smaller hands and I find this pretty comfortable. It is available in USB or serial interfaces, black or white, and it also has an IP54 seal, so that's another feature that makes it good for the healthcare industry because it's pretty well sealed. It is one of our more affordable imagers, so it's a very good value. You're paying very little for what you get, and also comes with a 5-year warranty. If you'd like more information or would like to buy the CR1400 scanner, visit us at POSGuys.com.